If you are going to build a PC costing approx rupees 1 lakh, then just stop and watch before buy. Why I have made this video to build a PC Nvidia 2060 Super with AMD 53600X or Nvidia RTX 3070 with AMD 73700X. I have increased my budget to rupees 17.5 thousand and built a super PC Nvidia Zotac RTX 3070 with AMD 73700X because I wanted to go for higher version of both GPU as well as CPU. Anyway, finally at the right time I calculated and changed my decision at the end. Well, let us start the video. Guys, before build this PC, I have also gained some experience in this regard by doing market survey, taking costs from online and also interacting with a lot of computer parts selling shopkeeper. And I also seen more than 100 video of budget to build a gaming PC which should match my need and not get me down anywhere while editing or playing games at the higher level, that is 1080 pixel and 1440 pixel and live streaming. I spend little more and I have made this video specially to emphasize about how I have manipulated my budget and built a PC with the RTX 3070 and AMD 73700. Previously, I was buying 2060 Super with AMD 53600 XT. I will show you what budget I was offered by shopkeeper. So this is the price sheet calculation on Excel sheet, which will also compel you to think about build a PC with RTX 3070 with AMD 73700X instead of 20 RTX 3070 with AMD 73700X instead of 2060 Super with 3600 XT or equivalent gaming PC. So this is the total item required to build a PC finally quoted by shopkeeper. Description is not clear in this code, so to better understanding I will type out this list quickly on Excel sheet. Now I will fill the cost offered to me for buying items for Nvidia 2060 Super with AMD 53600 XT. Second one is about how I have manipulated this cost, and after spending slightly extra, I could buy all parts for a build a PC with Nvidia Zotac RTX 3070 graphic card and CPU AMD Ryzen 7 3700X. I was thinking build a PC with GPU 3070. Since Nvidia declared launching of this graphic card into the market, I would like to emphasizing more about the excellent budget PC built with the graphic card RTX 3070. Main feature of our Nvidia Zotac RTX 3070 graphic card and CPU AMD Ryzen 3700X. Number 1. In case of 140 pixel gaming, the Nvidia RTX 3070 is faster by 61%. Number 2. The price and performance ratio is much better for RTX 3070. Number 3. RTX 3070 is 180 MHz faster GPU turbo speed. Number 4. 3070 have 6600 million more transistor. Number 5. This is 30 MHz faster GPU clock speed than 2060 Super. Number 6. 60 gigapixels higher pixel rate. Whereas talking about AMD Ryzen 7 3700X, it having 8 core and 16 thread, that is 3.6 GHz Zen 2, which is mixed node chiplet and the most appropriate and budget CPU for RTX 3070. Few words for Zen 2 technology want to emphasize. It incorporating a new mixed node chiplet design. This particular 8 core chip is fitted with a single 7 nanometer CCD, complete with 200% operational 4 core, that is CCX cluster, where AMD 3600 XT would be a bottleneck for RTX 3070. 3700X is 30% faster at multi-core computation than the 12-threaded 3600 XT. Now the change I have made this budget is displayed on the screen through Excel sheet. Here you can see I have purchased 73700X by spending 7000 extra. To manage this amount, I have purchased only 116 GB RAM instead of 216 GB RAM for the Zotac RTX 3070, costing 50,000. Also, I added one camera in my system to manage in this amount only. Previously, cost for Nvidia 2060 Super with AMD 53600 XT was rupees 1,08,500. After upgrading from Nvidia 2060 Super with 53600 XT to Nvidia Zotac RTX 3070 graphic card and CPU AMD Ryzen 7 3700X is effective cost Ryzen 7 3700X effective cost is 1,26,000 only. Difference around 17,500 and I got an excellent gaming PC. One more change I have made is upgraded SMPS power supply unit from 450 watt to 650 watt after some bargaining. See serial 3 of both chart. So this was the information for changing my plan to upgrade it as shown on the screen. Out of all the happening during my step toward purchasing part for build the PC, that's all offline seller talk point of view their business. Some of those guide very sincerely, but most of them talk about their profit only, especially when they judge that customer has less knowledge about PC parts. I really sincere advise to homework well before purchasing computer parts, before buy them. Everyone has a plan before going to online and offline purchase nowadays. But the moment we enter the shop for wanting buy item according to our plan, oof, it vanished because some of the item is not available in shop. Sometimes shopkeeper tell us that substitute of item in which he getting the more profit. Guys, I have tried my best to inform you about this product. If something lapses, let me know. Please do not have anything up to you regarding this. I may not be right on some point. I have my share experience. I would like to see your comment which are most awaiting and the same which help to make our next video more interesting, and make sure you providing your appropriate information. I will be continuing to provide all future information based on my practical work and best of my knowledge. Very soon, I will show you how I have made this PC and it including testing game. Its look including testing with games. If you like this video, please press like button and also subscribe. Bye, see you again.